Hi, I want to show you how to make rose hydrosol today. It's super easy, and all you need are the rose petals and also the leaves and the stems. And I will say that recently some friends came to dinner and they brought me this beautiful bouquet of flowers. And today the flowers are a little bit droopy and the roses to me seem like they were going to die soon. So I just pulled them off. There's 3 big roses. So that's the amount of flower stuff we have. So I just cleaned them, I washed them, and then I put them here. And let me show you everything else that you need. You're gonna need 2 bowls. You're gonna need some ice and then a big pot. There's my big pot with the lid. So what you do first is you take one of the bowls and you put it in your pan so that the bottom of it is face up. That's so that you can then put all of the flour around it. So I do want to say that I'm making rose hydrosol, but you could use other flowers. It doesn't have to just be rose. Like I could use other flowers from that flower arrangement over there, but I just want this hydrosol to be rose. So then you put all of your rose stuff in there, and then you pour water. I just have everything made so that I don't have to edit the video. So I'm just pouring water in until it comes to just above, or just below, excuse me, the bowl, the top of the bowl, which is really the bottom of the bowl. So this water is kind of covering it. I think that's about good. And then, let me just see, just push it down. Yeah. So then the other bowl you put face up, right? So this is it. So you've got the flour and then the water and then your 2 bowls. I'll tell you why it needs to be that way in a moment. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the lid on top of this, but the lid is upside down. So it's like this. So you do have to make sure that before you start, that your bowls will fit in here like this and still be able to have the lid upside down. Because here you're going to put the ice. Because what happens is you're going to turn this on and the water in there is going to simmer, boil. And when the steam from the hot water comes up and hits the ice is going to then melt back into that upper bowl, and that's the rose hydrosol, or the rose, I would say rose water. People think of it maybe as rose water, but it's not. Rose water could just be made with water, and then you'd put a couple drops of essential oil of rose. But this is a nicer, little bit cleaner version of rose water, rose hydrosol. And so you can make a spray and like spray your face. It's really good for your eyes. You can spray the room. Anyway, that's your lesson. I hope you make it. You can see how easy it is. You're just gonna listen for the water to boil in there, and before it boils all the way, you turn it off and just let it sit here. The water will drip into that bowl, and then you pour that into like a spray bottle. If you do this, let me know how it goes. Bye for now.